Hello everyone, today we're going to make a simple and easy stick grenade. So all you need is 3 sticks and put the first one on top in the middle, and then you take the next one and put it under, over, under, and then for the next one you go opposite, so it would be over, under, over. And there you go, you made it. Now all you have to do is separate these 2 sticks and then it will explode. Boom. Now let's see it in action. Thank you for watching, and try this one out. This one is relatively simple, and if you ever need a quick reference, give this video a thumbs up. And remember to subscribe to see more advanced stick bombs. And I will see you next time.